Hello friends, welcome to Doctor's Academy. Through this video, let us discuss the IBPS RRB recruitment 2021. The Institute of Banking Personnel Selection has released the job notification regarding filling of office assistant, officer scale 1, scale 2 and scale 3. There are numerous posts: office assistant multipurpose, officer scale 1 assistant manager, officer scale 2 general banking officer manager, officer scale 2 law officer, officer scale 2 treasury manager, officer scale 2 marketing officer, officer scale 2 chartered accountant, officer scale 2 information technology officer, officer scale 2 agricultural officer, officer scale 3 senior manager. Required qualification and experience for each post are: for office assistant, bachelor's degree in any discipline from a recognized university or its equivalent. Proficiency in the local language as prescribed by the participating regional rural banks. Desirable qualification: working knowledge of computer. In this case, no experience is required. Officer scale 1 assistant manager, bachelor's degree in any discipline from a recognized university or its equivalent. Preference will be given to the candidates having degree in agriculture, horticulture, forestry, animal husbandry, veterinary science, agricultural engineering, pisciculture, agricultural marketing and cooperation, information technology, management, law, economics or accounting. Proficiency in the local language as prescribed by the participating RRBs. Desirable qualification is working knowledge of computer. Officer scale 2 general banking officer manager, bachelor's degree in any discipline from a recognized university or its equivalent with a minimum of 50% marks in aggregate. Preference will be given to the candidates having degree in banking, finance, marketing, agriculture, horticulture, forestry, animal husbandry, veterinary science, agriculture engineering, pisciculture, agriculture marketing and cooperation, information technology, management, law, economics and accounting. Experience: 2 years as an officer in bank or financial institute. Officer scale 2 law officer, degree from a recognized university or law or its equivalent with a minimum of 50% marks in aggregate. Experience: 2 years as an advocate or should have worked as law officer in banks or financial institutions for a period of not less than 2 years. Officer scale 2 treasury manager, chartered accountancy or MBA in finance from a recognized university or institution. Experience: 1 year in the relevant field. Sixth vacancy, officer scale 2 marketing officer. Qualification required is MBA in marketing from a recognized university or institute. Experience required is 1 year in the relevant field. Officer scale 2 chartered accountant, certified associate from Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, plus experience of 1 year as chartered accountant. Eighth position, officer scale 2 information technology officer, bachelor's degree from a recognized university in electronics, communication or computer science, information technology or its equivalent with a minimum of 50% marks in aggregate. Desirable qualifications are certificate in ASP, PHP, C++, Java, VB, VC, OCP, etc. Experience required is 1 year in the relevant field. The ninth position is officer scale 2 agricultural officer, bachelor's degree in any discipline from a recognized university or its equivalent with a minimum of 50% in aggregate. Preference will be given to the candidates having degree, diploma in banking, finance, marketing, agriculture, horticulture, forestry, animal husbandry, veterinary science, agriculture engineering, pisciculture, agriculture marketing and cooperation, information technology, management, law, economics and accountancy. Experience: Minimum 5 years experience as an officer in a bank or in a financial institution. Officer Scale 3, Senior Manager. Bachelor's degree in any discipline from a recognized university or its equivalent with a minimum of 50% marks in aggregate. Preference will be given to the candidates having degree or diploma in banking, finance, marketing, agriculture, horticulture, forestry, animal husbandry, veterinary science, agricultural engineering, physiculture, agriculture marketing and corporation, information technology, management, law, economics and accountancy. Along with that, experience 5 years minimum as an officer in a bank or financial institution. Vacancy details. Officer Scale 1 Assistant Manager 4119. Officer Scale 2 Agricultural Officer 25 vacancies. Officer Scale 2 Marketing Officer 43 vacancies. Officer Scale 2 Treasury Manager 9 vacancies. Officer Scale 2 Law Officer 27 vacancies. Officer Scale 2 Chartered Accountant 32 vacancies. Officer Scale 2 Information Technology Officer 59 vacancies. Officer Scale 2 General Banking Officer 906 vacancies. Officer Scale 3 151 vacancies. Office Assistant Multipurpose 5305 vacancies. Altogether there are 10,729 vacancies. Age limit in between 18 to 40 years. In particular for Office Assistant 18 to 28 years. Officer Scale 1 18 to 30 years. Officer Scale 2 21 to 32 years. Officer Scale 3 21 to 40 years. Salary will be provided as per government norm. There is an application fee of rupees 175 rupees for SC/ST PWBD candidates, and for all other candidates it is 850. The application fee has to be paid through net banking, credit card, debit card, UPI, challan or through demand draft. The selection will be conducted through 2 stages, preliminary exams and main exam. The exam center in Kerala for preliminary exam are Alappuzha, Kannur, Kochi, Kollam, Kottayam, Kozhikode, Malappuram, Palakkad, Thiruvananthapuram and Trichy. And for the main exam, Kochi, Kozhikode and Trivandrum. If you find eligible and interested, please apply for this post through online by logging into the website www.ibps.in/crp-rrb-x www.ibps.in/crp-rrb-x. Hope this video is going to be useful for those who are looking for jobs in banking sector. Thank you very much for watching Doctor's Academy. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. If this information is useful, kindly share it with your friends and others in your contact. Thank you very much.